What is a common unit for measuring heat? A. Gram. B. Joule per kilogram. C. Kilocalorie. D. Celsius. The correct answer is C. Kilocalorie. Where is the largest seed bank in the world located? A. England. B. Australia. C. India. D. The United States. The correct answer is A. England. A medal made of 22-carat gold is classified as what kind of substance? A. A compound. B. An alloy. C. A pure element. D. An isotope. The correct answer is B. An alloy. What happens to settled materials at the bottom during the initial treatment phase? A. They are removed. B. They are chemically treated. C. They are allowed to decompose. D. They are recirculated. The correct answer is A. They are removed. The law of multiple proportions applies when two elements combine to form what? A. A mixture. B. More than one compound. C. An ionic bond. D. Exactly one compound. The correct answer is B. More than one compound. What is a primary use of calcium carbide, CaC2? A. To manufacture rayon. B. To prepare sodium bicarbonate. C. To make baking powder. D. To prepare acetylene gas for welding. The correct answer is D. To prepare acetylene gas for welding. How long are fish maintained in rearing ponds? A. Approximately 6 months. B. Approximately 1 year. C. Approximately 3 months. D. Approximately 1 month. The correct answer is C. Approximately 3 months. Which characteristic describes algae? A. They are vascular cryptogams. B. Their dominant phase is gametophytic thallus. C. They have special roots called haustoria. D. They are chlorophyll-bearing and autotrophs. The correct answer is D. They are chlorophyll-bearing and autotrophs. Besides reducing insect populations, what other important role do bats play for humans? A. Decomposing organic matter. B. Pollinating plants. C. Producing medicinal compounds. D. Providing fiber for textiles. The correct answer is B. Pollinating plants. What are organic manures predominantly derived from? A. Inorganic chemicals. B. Plant debris, animal faces, and microbes. C. Volcanic ash. D. Petroleum products. The correct answer is B. Plant debris, animal faces, and microbes. At what temperature does water change to ice? A. 1000 C. B. 00 C. C. 1020 C. D. 200 C. The correct answer is B. 00 C. Which property of elements was difficult to organize before the law of triads? A. Their magnetic properties. B. Their physical state. C. Their colors. D. Their atomic masses. The correct answer is D. Their atomic masses. What is one change in body size that occurs during adolescence? A. Constant body weight. B. Decrease in overall height. C. No changes in body size. D. Change in body proportion. The correct answer is D. Change in body proportion. What are hydrocarbons generally subdivided into? A. Proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. B. Alcohols, ethers, and ketones. C. Alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. D. Aldehydes, carboxylic acids, and esters. The correct answer is C. Alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. A highly magnified image is formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed at which position? A. At C. B. Between C and F. C. At F. D. Beyond C. The correct answer is C. At F. Which type of bond is formed when one of the combining atoms provides both electrons for a chemical bond? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Coordinate covalent bond. D. Metallic bond. The correct answer is C. Coordinate covalent bond. How does the attractive force between particles vary for different forms of matter? A. It is the same for all forms. B. It is different for different forms. C. It only exists in solids. D. It is stronger in gases. The correct answer is B. It is different for different forms. What happens to microorganisms during the process of incineration? A. They are killed by the heat. B. They are released into the atmosphere. C. They multiply. D. They become dormant. The correct answer is A. They are killed by the heat. What are the high-pressure regions in a sound wave called? A. Rarefactions. B. Compressions. C. Displacements. D. Oscillations. The correct answer is B. Compressions. What are quantities expressed in terms of fundamental quantities called? A. Simple quantities. B. Abstract quantities. C. Base quantities. D. Derived quantities. The correct answer is D. Derived quantities. What is the intended educational goal of the ICT Corner activity? A. To understand material transformations. B. To practice online navigation. C. To improve reading comprehension. D. To learn about website design. The correct answer is A. To understand material transformations. Which of the following is considered another form of computer? A. Mobile. B. Blackboard. C. Radio. D. Book. The correct answer is A. Mobile. What term describes the loss of electrons in a chemical process? A. Bonding. B. Valency. C. Reduction. D. Oxidation. The correct answer is D. Oxidation. Smallpox is included in the list of diseases caused by what agent? A. Virus. B. Fungi. C. Bacteria. D. Protozoa. The correct answer is A. Virus. Besides sodium chloride, what other common salt is found in ocean water? A. Calcium chloride. B. Potassium sulfate. C. Magnesium sulfate. D. Sodium bicarbonate. The correct answer is A. Calcium chloride. What is the approximate atomic mass unit, AMU, of a proton or neutron? A. 12 AMU. B. 14 AMU. C. 1 AMU. D. 10 AMU. The correct answer is C. 1 AMU. Which case described the pencil moving in a circle? A. The first case. B. The third case. C. The second case. D. The fourth case. The correct answer is C. The second case. Besides a battery, what other source of electricity can be used in a room? A. A light switch. B. An electric outlet. C. A solar panel. D. A generator. The correct answer is B. An electric outlet. Besides contact in physical states and solution of reactants, what other condition is mentioned as allowing chemical changes? A. Freezing temperatures. B. Heat. C. Magnetism. D. Gravity. The correct answer is B. Heat. In the formation of a solution, which component does the dissolving? A. Solute. B. Solution. C. Solvent. D. Molecule. The correct answer is C. Solvent. How did you score?